In this video, I wanted to show you a feature of X-Acquire software, which is something that previously we'd been asking for ages, and that's backing up and restoring your settings. You might work with multiple Fujifilm bodies, or you just want that peace of mind that your settings are saved. Check out the compatibility list to see if yours is included. You'll need the relevant USB cable. Put this into connection setting, PC connection mode, USB raw conv, backup, restore. Get your USB cable, plug it into your Mac, your PC. Download Fujifilm X-Acquire, they're the very latest one. Install it, make sure your camera's switched on, and you'll see backup camera settings and restore camera settings. So we hit backup camera settings and got a nice little date there. We're going to save them to there, and that's brilliant. And you can do that with a number of cameras. The compatibility list is simple. To restore, you just hit restore, go to the file, and then restore them straight there. Dead simple.